Got 2016 Ram 1500 5.7 liter. Gonna change the battery out today. So I had a low voltage indication on my memory system for messages, and I could tell that the battery was getting a little low. Had this in there about 4 years or so, thereabout. So it's about time for it to be changed. It's a 10 millimeter negative terminal, positive terminal. See a little crud starting to get on there. So you want to be careful taking off this insulation cover. Be able to put that back on over the new battery. Turn it out the way. Still in pretty good shape. Deceased bug. And just down here you have a hold down bolt, and I believe it's a 10 millimeter also. Here is that hold down bolt that I was telling you about. It's a 10 millimeter also. Got an extension on here. That whole piece out there. It's got a little wedge to it. So I'm gonna go back down in there just like that. Get these cables out of the way, get them pushed back to where you don't overstress them. Man, it's got a handle on it. There we go. Don't have any dirt, anything, any battery acid, anything like that down in the tray. So I'm ready to go as far as the tray goes. Not a lot of cleaning out that I need to do with it. Look dirt. Make it up. One leaf. Get the new battery and put it in. Alright, to make sure I have my cables. I stuck a little bungee cord on there. Alright. Hold down bolt back on it. Putting that in, just want to make sure this thing is secure. Battery blanket cover, put it back on there. Put a little dielectric grease on the terminal. You want rid of that dirt out there, just wipe them off with a little penetrating oil. Back here on this one. From back up. Go crazy on that. All right. Put that bungee cable out the way. Ground on. Good seat. That dielectric grease all over. Right off the way. That should have it. Let's replace my battery in a 2016 Ram Laramie Limited 1500 5.7.